All right, we're live on YouTube. We're live on Twitch, man. Tomorrow there's an educational. What's an educational contest? Does it mean like the questions are a little bit easier, or it's not rating as tough, or it's not rated at all? Is it just like it's like Div 2.5? I see. So it's still rated. It's just geared towards like students. All right. Let me see where I'm at. Doing some Supabase junk, huh? Y'all ready? All right, Supabase React Remix. Let me just start everything up. Yeah, so all right, Freepy, if you're interested in the problem that I had with OAuth and Twitch, or just OAuth in general, my OAuth stuff was working when I was doing it locally, like just running it from my local machine. But anytime I deployed it, it wouldn't fully work. Like the OAuth login wasn't working. And I spent like all day on maybe Friday trying to fix it. I was trying all types of crazy things with the code and whatnot, but it wasn't a coding problem because it was working in another environment, like in my local dev environment. So, man, I went deep down the rabbit hole, and it was a problem with my Nginx configuration, I think. So because I'm using Nginx as my web server, and then it's like reverse proxying the request to my React app, it couldn't, like, I guess the headers were too big for Nginx to forward, so you had to put in some special configuration to allow like a bigger header size. And then after that, the logins worked from OAuth after I changed that on Nginx. So man, I lost like 1 or 2 days trying to fix that bug. Anyways, let me give you a lay of the land where the website is at today. Let me see if it even works. All right, here it is. So the latest thing I did, well, I don't want to dox myself too much, man. So I'm gonna remove this line. Pankaj in the house. How are you doing, Pankaj? All right, so this is the thing. The latest thing I added was the Twitch authentication, or OAuth with Twitch, which, oh wait, I have it hard coded with the wrong redirect thing there. Let me fix that real quick. I should not hard code that probably, but you know, we're lazy. Wait, what is my dang port? All right, let's see if that fixes it. All right, there we go. But all right, so there's another problem. My username field isn't filling out when I do the OAuth thing. So I need to figure out how to get that. I don't know if I have to create some type of other, like insert some data somewhere else, but it's in my Supabase. I don't want to show my Supabase data on stream anymore since that's how I doxed myself last time. But I think accessing, all right, let me log out and let me log in with my email. And then this, oh, this doesn't have a username either. Interesting. So we got to debug that. This is what I want to work on. I want to work on having a profile page where you can edit your profile. You can maybe set your LeetCode username, and who knows what else. So how the hell do we do that, man? It's gonna be tricky without like doxing stuff. All right, let me take a look. This is my email. I'm looking in my database. I'm trying to look for my username, but I don't think I have a username here, which is crazy. How come they don't got a username for me, man? Interesting. Maybe, all right. I've only used Twitch's own auth. I got that to work, but I have no idea with Supabase. Yeah, well, I think it's working now, but man, I swear I had like display names here, but I guess not, man. Oh yeah. It is here. I have this dang display name in my users auth database. But when I go to the actual table itself, that display name is not there. So let me do a little bit of Googling for that. Supabase users table display name. Oh yeah, this is probably the issue I'm having. Man, just a bunch of debugging. So I'll be streaming later today. This is just like, today's my day off, or I guess it's a day off for most people in America. So I'm just kind of bored, and I decided, you know, maybe I should spend some of my free time working on this dang website. Oh wait, Freepy, you get an error when you try and log in still? Is that what you're trying to tell me right now? Because, alright, if that's happening, maybe you gotta clear your cookies or something, because it was a bug when I had originally deployed it, but I fixed it on Friday or something. So this is the live website. I'm logged in with the OAuth. It's working. Yeah. The username, I don't know. That's the problem I'm trying to deal with now. Like, how the hell do I get that username, you know? But it's there in my table, man. So I don't know. Supabase auth users has display name, but not showing. Let me just read all of these real quick. Or let me just console log some stuff here, I guess. Where am I? I'm trying to find this stuff on my profile. Should I take all these console logs out? Sure. I think so. Alright, let me look at his profile. Got his profile info. There's a Supabase extension for VSC. You know how to get the mail, right? I don't know what VSC is. I don't even know what I'm doing, man. All right, let's see here. Oh, look. See, this one doesn't have the display name either. But it used to have a display name somewhere, man. I don't know how to get that display name. They say it should be in the user metadata, but it ain't there. Scroll up. Wait, where am I scrolling up to? Wait, Visual Studio Code. Oh, I see. I see what you're saying. Identities. What's in there? Think your username was there? No. Has my email. But I'm curious, what is in identities? Some type of object. Oh, much higher up. Hold on, it says undefined. What are you talking about? Did I spell that right? Maybe it's nothing in there. I don't know. All right, let's see. User metadata, Supabase does not have display name. Why is it tripping? It used to work, and now it doesn't, man. Anyways, dang. Who knows what I'm doing? Man, I swear the information is in there, man. I'm looking at it right now. I see my username. It says the username is... Oh, that one doesn't have a username. I see. Wait. Let me try something else. my other account, which is, I don't remember my password. There you go. So this one has my username, man. Well, the heck? How'd that work? Oh, this is on my real website. Jesus. What am I doing, man? Alright, so this is the account with the username, and it has that username there. But it doesn't show up for... Oh, look at that. It doesn't show up when I log into like OAuth. Look at that. So let me see. Provider, Twitch, identity data. Maybe it's in there. Man, look at all that. User metadata. So it's user metadata. Dot nickname. Let me try that. All right. So Twitch, OAuth username is showing up, and regular junk is showing up. All right, I gotta gather my thoughts. What I need to do, I want to be able for users to edit their profile somehow and add more information like their LeetCode username. I don't know what else. LeetCode username, that's about it, man. Let me try and add something there to do that. How do I do that? I guess I'll need... I think I'll need to... I'm thinking about just using Supabase for everything and like moving away from the SQLite junk that I created. So that would probably mean like getting rid of the backend, the Hono backend, and then just using everything with the remix, like these types of functions, server-side functions. Oh, I could have a profile picture. All right, maybe I can work on that. So maybe I can like create a new table. Let me try and see how people recommend doing it. Supabase. How do we do this? Yes, we want to do all of these things. We already got the keys. We already did that. I guess we already did this. Pankaj wants to do a little type racer. We can type race, man. But I don't think anyone's really around except me and you. We'll see who shows up. Alright, dang, I'm at 95 WPMs. Average. Last 10 though. All right, here we go. First race warm up, second race championship round. All right, there you go. YouTube and Type Racer Discord. All right, y'all ready? All right, if you got an account, now's a good time to log in. Maybe you don't want that, but wouldn't it be cool with a level system? People get experience from doing something or just logging in. Oh yeah, that would be interesting, but I think that's like way later on features. All right, Vendance Pandy from YouTube. I see your comment, but hold on. Let's do this Type Racer warm-up session real quick, and then I'll read it. Real quick, man. All right. Dang. All right, let me see what you're saying, Vandant. So, hey bro, I have total of 10 to 11 months till my placement. I have good grip on data structure algorithm, specialist on code forces. Can you tell what else should I learn in project to get good placement? Like, what should I do for projects? I don't know anything right now. I'm not sure what placement means. If you feel like you're strong at data structures and algorithms, but you've never built anything, maybe you got to think about like what type of development do you want? Because if you want to be a infrastructure developer, I wouldn't recommend you go out there and try and build a Pokemon index app, like website, you know. If you want to be a front-end dev, I wouldn't try and tell you to go build some desktop application or some CLI, you know. So it really, I think you should build a project that is something relative to what you want to do, like what type of engineering you want to do. All right, here we go. Championship round for Type Racer. Dang, Don't Defense has just entered the party. All right, let's go. Championship round. Man. Man, this is a hard passage. I can't type any of those words, but thank you very much, Don't Defense. Coming in with the triple digits, saving the race. Dang, 75. How lousy. Alright, Don't Defense. Let me put you up there. That might... Oh, one behind Q still. Wait, 108, right? Very, very nice. Look at that. 25 to 26. One more win. Hopefully Q's at work so I can win all races today. Yeah, maybe. Jest, how you doing? Early midnight Simon? Yeah, so today's a holiday, man. So I'm just doing a little stream because I'm bored. And I really want to make more progress on this dang website. I feel like there's a whole lot of work to do on my website. Dang, what the hell is going on here? I'm logged in, but it doesn't show my profile. And I log out, but it doesn't log me out, man. Het Tennis, how you doing? I'm even here, so it's a real treat. Oh yeah, thanks for showing up, Het Tennis. It's a holiday in the US? Yeah, it is President's Day. Man, why my website always tripping? Anyways. So I logged out that time. Let me try my test account. Alright, that one works, that one works. Anyways, what we're trying to do, man, we're trying to do a whole lot. Adding a dang, oh, you know what else I wanted to do? I've been trying out Cursor, that dang AI editor, but it's on my other PC. I think it's pretty cool, so maybe I should switch to Cursor from VS Code. Let me do that real quick. I gotta install it though on this computer. Do y'all use Cursor? So last week somebody was coming in here telling me, why am I not using Cursor and all that stuff? And I decided over the weekend to check it out. And it's pretty cool. It's very similar to what I use at work, I'd say. Hepta5 in the house. Do you get today off? For sure, I got today off. Made the switch recently and definitely was a game changer. Oh, it's a Cursor from VS Code or something. Yeah, Cursor has been working well for me, man. It feels like how when I have coding to do at work, I use AI in similar ways to do it. Is it better than VS Code with Copilot? I've never tried VS Code with Copilot. Today was a flex holiday. What the hell is a flex holiday? Like if you take it, you get your regular time off, but if you don't take it, you get double time. Like you can get paid extra for working that day. Just install extensions on VS Code. Are extensions better than Cursor? I don't know. I haven't tried any of the extensions. Oh, you choose this or another date's takeoff. I see. I see. Alright, I gotta log into this dang Cursor thing. Zoom Venom says, I'm more familiar with backend, so using Cursor helped me navigate front end when doing personal projects. Yeah, that's how I am right now, I guess. I don't know anything about front end really. I don't know anything about back end either because I do C++ infrastructure. Alright, alright, I'm logged into Cursor now. Let me open up my projects. Where's my projects, man? Oh, right. Found it. Alright, here is Cursor. Y'all ready for it? Let me close on VS Code real quick. Switch in to Cursor. It's not, it's too tiny, man. Gotta make it a little bit bigger. Revisualize. How you doing? Patagonia sweater. Where's the Google logo? Nah, man. You know, this is actually a gift from my old roommate, B. Becca. B. Becca gave me this as a parting gift. Patagonia sweater or hoodie. I think I got another one somewhere. I have not. This is like my first time wearing it. I've had it for like a year plus. Keep hearing about B. Becca, but I've never seen B. Becca. B. Becca likes to lurk. And he used to stream, but now he's busy with his real life work and stuff. But yeah, B. Becca was my old roommate, and B. Becca was my #1 training partner to get to where I'm at today. I think I would not be where I'm at without B. Becca training beside me. We really motivated each other when we're noobs. I was not as much of a noob as B. Becca when we first met, and now I'd say we are about even, you know, in career and in algorithm skills and all that stuff. He might surpass me in algorithm skills, actually, but I don't really know. He's not very active these days. Neither am I, though. Anyways, he's in Google too. I'm not gonna say where he's at, but he's doing all right, man. He has more top tech companies on his resume than I do. That's for sure. All right. I was trying to show y'all cursor real quick. Who is B. Becca? My old roommate, man. All right. Here we go. Shows this AI wizardry. I'm gonna try. We'll try and do some things, man. So I'm working on the front end. What I'm trying to do here is I want to build something on the profile page where, all right, let's try this AI junk out. Build a form to edit some basic profile information like LeetCode profile. What other information should we use? First name. Do we need names? Nah, we don't need any names here. Maybe a location. Or country. Maybe I'll just put country and city. What else? What else might be useful? Let's start with that. How's it gonna look, man? Using this AI junk. Oh, look at that. All right, let's update this a little bit. I don't know. I don't know how to update it yet. I guess that's okay for now. We'll accept that. Let's create. Man, can we have multiple server-side functions here? Create a server-side function to handle the post request coming from the form. Sure, looks good. Let's try it out, man. Profiles. I don't have a table called profiles, but I'll make one real quick. How do you make a table? I just read that Cursor is a fork of VS Code. I wonder if they wanted some feature that extensions couldn't provide. I haven't seen any feature so far that Copilot doesn't provide. Yeah, at work we use a fork of VS Code also. And it feels very similar to Cursor, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Hey, how the hell do I make a new table? Am I that bad at this type of stuff? Supabase. I swear I had a table here too. Table editor. That's where I gotta click. Oh. No, 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 no. Oh yeah, it's in the public stuff. Public folder. Alright. What the hell was this table called? This table is called profiles. Sure. Let's have. I don't know how to do everything. Hold on, I gotta pee real quick. All right, all right. Oh, I see. Hold on, I gotta edit this. Wait. Let me. I want to show my Supabase dashboard, but I also don't want to dox my information on the sign up. So let me see if I can just hide some of these columns in my table. How am I gonna do that? I don't know how to do that. Anyways. All right, Alright, maybe I figured it out. Yeah. Oh man. Alright. I don't know if I want to show this, man. I might risk showing you guys too much info. But I'll do it. I'll do it. Alright, so this is my new profiles table. And I just want to add the columns that are here. But we also have to like link this to our users table somehow. So let me try and do that, man. But wait, that's what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of opening a table and like doxing all the information in there. Let me see something real quick. Alright, maybe I can just do it, huh? So I have this profile table, and I think I need to create like a foreign key that will link with the users that I have in my auth. Like this. And I want to probably link I don't know, my ID here with, maybe I have to like, no, maybe I have to add that first, or I can edit this. So it's not an ID, it's gonna be, should I call it a U? What do they call it in the other table? They call it a UUID of type UUID, but I'll still keep the name ID, and I'll just edit the type to be a UUID. And then we're linking this key to this key. No, this key. Doesn't match. You're right, it doesn't match, man. I guess I have to save that first. Wait, cannot update this. Dang, so that means maybe I gotta just add a new type, and it'll call this user ID. I don't know, man. UUID. Can I do that? Mad Flash, how you doing? And what the hell is a Supabase? Supabase is basically just a Postgres as a service. That they also have other things, I guess, like auth or whatever. Free for small projects, and then I guess you pay for it. But it's open source and you can self-host it. But I'm not doing any of that. If I ever get to the point where it's not free anymore, maybe I'll think about migrating off, or I'll consider the cost before making a decision. But for now, I think it's okay to use. We'll see. there we go. Add a foreign key. So now we're able to join the data easily, I think. I hope. I don't know why that failed. Alright, what else? What else are we saying, man? How come man, something ain't right with my computer right now. Something is real bad. Oh, there it goes. My alt tab wasn't working, man. Alright, so we need user ID. No, we don't need that. LeetCode profile. Yes, let's have that. LeetCode profile. And this is gonna be text. Alright, what else do they want? Country and city. Country. Should it be a text here? Or should I have like an enum? Can I create like a country enum? Anyway, that's too much work. I'll just leave it as a text for now. City. It's also going to be text. Why don't you use something like auth 0 instead of implementing your own user auth flow? I'm using Supabase to do auth. I didn't implement my own auth. Supabase has auth built in, so that's how I'm doing it. So this is like the login in. I just use Supabase, sign in with the email password, or there's the Twitch stuff. I'm also doing the OAuth. I don't know where that is. Yeah, this is sign in with OAuth. So I'm not rolling my own auth. Yeah, no worries. And now, alright, city, created that, and maybe we want like an update to that. That's what they have here. And timestamp. Alright, that's it, man. Let's try something out here. So this has my UUID. But is it linked to this user ID here? Let's see. Yes, it is the same as the user ID. So now, should we just try and upsert this junk? I'll put did it work? Who knows if it worked? Doesn't look like it. Let me put some console logs in now. Alright, here we go. Alright, update profile. Is it gonna do anything? Did it do anything? I'm not sure if it did anything, man. ID undefined. Oh, we don't need that. Oh, hold on. Oh, maybe because we want not load our stuff. We want this stuff. But can I have two different two different things for the same stuff? I don't know, man. And then, yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Let me just put like console action, and then here I'll put loader. All right, here we go, here we go. So we hit them with the loader, and then enter some junk. And then where does it go? It goes back to the loader. So I'm not, all right, how the hell can I have, let me just ask, remix, can I have both loader and action functions for same routes? No, looks like only one. Yeah, wait, look, look, look. This is saying alright, this has a loader and an action. So how do I tell it to trigger? Action. Form. Is it using the right form? Maybe not. Maybe now it's gonna use the right. Asad from YouTube, why not use ChatGPT for doubts? I mean, AI wrote this stuff, man. So I'm not sure if they know, you know. All right, let me try this out. All right, we're here in the loader. I don't know what this is. Anything happen? Oh. Oh yeah. Looks good. Except we got problems with the Supabase now. How do I fix this? I want to how the hell do you do this? All right, I want auth .uid. I'm gonna try this, man. This is for inserting. On the public profiles. User ID doesn't exist. Yes. Man, what was it called? UUID, maybe? Alright, let me try that. Alright, I don't know. Is that inserting? Hold on. Gotta have some policies for that table. Based on user ID. Alright. Update based on user ID. Can I just change this to UUID for updating? Man, what is this talking about? I don't know what I'm doing, man. Let me restart this. New row validates row level security policy for profiles. I mean, it's supposed to, right? It's supposed to be able to update, but maybe not. All right. Let me try something else. ChatGPT. Create a Supabase policy for a new... Dang. For a new profiles table, I would like users to be able to insert a new row or update Alright, let's try one of them. So they're saying enable insert. I guess we want to insert I'll just copy this over. Man, I can't even edit that. It's crazy. How can I edit the policy here? Use options above to edit. a little bit crazy, but inserts. What do we want? Using auth ID is not null. All right, let me try that. Did that do anything? I don't even know. Yes, it did something, but there's I don't know. All right, what the hell am I doing now? There's nothing in here, man. auth.users.id. Maybe that's the issue. All right. How do I edit those policies? Where was I? Right here. So maybe it's auth.user.id. auth.u. All right, maybe not then. All right, so I don't even know where to begin here. Let me look in my auth.uid. Man, nothing ever works for me on this Supabase stuff. User.id. UUID. UUID equal auth ID. So that's updating your own profile. That should be okay too, right? All right, let me make this new policy. On updates. Can I do that, man? Let's see. Harshit Sawni, how are you doing from YouTube? I am working on my website, man. It's not flowing too great right now, but I'm just trying to update a user profile. But it ain't working, man. I don't know why it ain't working. I don't want to disable, right? I mean, I can try it real quick. Just to see if that is the issue. Which website? midnightsimon.com. Did that work? Oh, that worked. So I was actually able to insert something there. Which is nice, but I do want row level security. And then I gotta get these dang security things to work, man. So how come this ain't working? Alright, it should allow authenticated users to insert data if there is no do I do skincare? Not anything crazy, just regular stuff. All right. Oh, I see. So I'm doing is not no, but maybe I need to check. I wish I could just edit the whole thing, man. It's like they won't let me do anything here. Let me just try random things out. No, that didn't work. So I want to enable insert for onto this thing. I don't know what to public means. Is not no. Is null. Let me try is null, because that's what they told me to do. Man, I don't know what the hell. Can't get it to work, man. Why are they tripping? All right, let me think. Let me think. I gotta change this dang policy so that it will allow me to do my thing. So now you are doing data structures, algorithms, and LeetCode. How do you learn web dev so fast? I've been doing this web dev stuff since sometime last year, like late last year. I'm not really learning too fast, man. Like I can't even get my thing to insert a row into my Supabase table, and I don't know what the hell how to fix this. I wish I could debug these policies somehow, you know. Instead of building your own stuff, you're learning how to use Supabase. You don't think I should use Supabase, man? I feel like I've already committed to it a little bit. All right, let me try these things. So I hate using some of these libraries. Yeah, but man, if you don't use libraries sometimes, it's like you gotta reinvent the wheel, you know? So many times you gotta reinvent stuff. Alright, here we go. This is gonna work. I feel it. It does not work. Hey man, how the heck? Alright, this dang auth stuff ain't working right. Auth writing is fun? I don't know if I'll call it fun. Alright, my table is empty. That's good. Oh, I'm gonna just delete these policies. Enable insert for authenticated users. Okay. But is that true? Marculo, how are you doing? Man, look at that row level security policy. What the heck? Come on, man. what if I delete this policy also? So I got the role level security policy enabled, but I got no policies. So will that even do anything? No, it shouldn't, because... Alright, let's create a policy from scratch now. I want to... What do I want to do? I want everybody to be able to insert... Alright, let me try this. This is frustrating, man, because I don't know how to write these dang policies. Somebody must have gone through this problem before. I don't know, man. Oh. Is it lunchtime yet? What time is it? I've only been streaming an hour. Man, 2 years ago. Hard shit from YouTube. What's happening, man? What are you asking? My age? I'm in my 30s. Adding new policies. Oh shit. I just closed the wrong thing. This web dev stuff is tough, man. I always feel like I don't know what's going on. And as soon as I start to get comfortable in the web dev, I try something else and then everything breaks. Alright, these dang auth policies ain't working the way I thought it would work. Where am I hosting? I'm self-hosted. So Hey, this doesn't make sense, man. I got the row level security. I got insert enable for authenticated users. But then it doesn't do anything, man. Why are they tripping? Java T point website. I don't know what you're talking about. Hard shit. Oh. Authenticated. Yes. I want to be able to have everybody insert. Yes. Logs? Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know how to debug this. This is all like security policies for the table. So I think these are all authenticated. Maybe I need an update too? No. Just give them all. I'm about to give up, man. I'm always about to give up on these dang things. New row? What? New row, man. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna delete this policy. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna delete this policy too, man. I'm gonna create a new policy. I think I'm starting to understand it a little bit, but this one I want everything for authenticated. What did I say? Just true? Man, if that doesn't work, I don't know what will work. Everything is true here. Oh, that works, man. Okay, so I have some suspicions of what's happening with my dang policies. I think maybe I've only done the insert, but it's also doing a select and stuff. So now I'm gonna delete this policy and make a new one. Alright, so I want to be able to insert for authenticated users, right? Insert and read. Alright, insert. I want to be able to read for everybody. Right? Everybody can read everything. And maybe I want to update based on what is a check expression versus dang, don't defense trying to do a little type racer, huh? Hold on. I don't know what to do here. All right, we'll do that type racer real soon. Auth.uid? I don't know, man. All right, let me try. I don't know if that did anything. All right. I think that might have worked. So, all right, let me check this dang database one more time. Ah, well, look at that. There's too many UUIDs there. This should be unique. All right, let me delete everything though. Boring web dev, man. Man, I feel like this should be the primary ID. Can I just delete this column? And then can I make this primary key also? This isn't web dev, this is menu dev. It's a part of the whole thing, don't defense. All right, let's do the type racer. Let's do the type racer. How do I protect my site from hackers? I don't. I don't do any of that, man. All right, first race is the warm-up, second race, championship round. Man. I had crazy back pain over the weekend, and I'm finally feeling better now. Are y'all ready? Bet Simp in the house. Welcome back with your real accounts. When are we quitting Google? Hopefully one day in the next few years, man. I'd like to quit like I don't know, maybe 3 years at least. 3 years max. All right, first race, warm up. Am I taking their buyout? No, not right now. But if they offer to buy me out in the future, I will consider it. Cool 105. How are you doing, BetSimp? Enjoying the day off or what? All right. Championship round coming up real soon. Merculo, you saying you never done a type racer before? All right, you beat somebody. You beat guest from Finland, Portugal. Dang, got Europeans in here. All right, this is a championship round, man. No joking around. It's only me and Don't Defense and Merculo. All right. Dang, 119. That's fast. Good book? What book is that, man? Name of the Wind? Never heard of it. Alright, Don't Defense. Back-to-back championships. Nobody's here to defend against you. Don't Defense. 119. Easy W. Oh, look at that. Don't Defense. Q Ultimus. It's like the most popular fancy book ever. 1 million reviews. Dang, that's a lot. But I don't really read books, unfortunately. Fumbled. Oh yeah, keyboard not in English. Yeah, if I was typing another language, I'd get 0 WPMs. Alright, I got a question. BetSimp, are you still here? Don't Defense, this is for you too. Have y'all used this? The online judge, the DMOJ, or the, what was it, Dom? Or the Dom judge? Have you used any of these things before? Yes, of course. All right. Which one have you used? Not a lot, but sometimes you find a problem. No, I'm not talking about just doing a problem on the website, but I'm talking about the open source online judge. Have you ever like set one up and stuff? Oh no, I see. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out some stuff with this, man, with my new secret project. You want to make your own LeetCode? Yeah, I think everything is kind of, all this stuff that I'm doing is so that one day I can be able to do that, I'd say. But I have to figure out front end before I make something complicated like that. That's why I'm kind of working on my website, where it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy, but I'm still learning about like authentication and this Supabase junk, or like how React and Remix work. Revive binary search. I wouldn't say revive, man. I'm just trying to make my own thing. Probably a bit different. Maybe it takes inspiration from binary search and LeetCode and everything, but it will be its own thing. Anyways, that's what I've been working on the last 2 days, and I'm trying to like figure out how to do the judging in the back end, because clearly I don't want to make my own judge. That sounds like too much work. But these things are already made. I'm sure I can like repurpose it on the back end just to judge, you know, and then I'll create my own front end. But anyways, let me try and get this dang profile stuff working, man. So what was I doing? I'm trying to test these security policy things. So now, all right, what was I doing? Let me submit some stuff. And that update, who knows? It did update. Now, let's see. Let's see if I can update that. So right now it says my country is USA, my city New York City. Let's change some things to let's see if that works. Am I able to update? No. Yes, I am. It did update. Very, very nice. What a judge do? So the judge judges the problem submissions, you know. So like when you click submit on LeetCode and it tells you wrong answer or accepted or whatever, time limit exceeded, that's the judge. That's what the judge does. Make your own judge, don't defense. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if I want to make my own dang judge. And how hard would it be? Also, don't defense. If you want to make a judge, or if you want to help me make a judge, or if anybody out there wants to work on this secret project with me, I won't be streaming any of it on stream, but I'm willing to like work off stream. I really want to create this thing, man. I have some good ideas, I think. And I'm not sure if I can do it all by myself, man, because there's a lot. I've been thinking if I should recruit some of my coworkers, or if I should recruit some people from this community, or if I should recruit some of my people I know, like B. Becco. It runs your code on a virtual thingamajig? Yeah, that's the idea. Anyways. Alright, now I want to check if... Alright, I'm gonna put in a random thing here. Like, will that work? I want it, yeah, I don't want it to be able to insert. Let me see. I don't want it to be able to insert some bootleg UID there. I think that is not great. Oh, I like that. Insert or update on table profiles violates that key. So if I knew another person's key, would I be able to like hijack their profile? Do I have to worry about stuff like that? I don't know, man. Let's see. Uh-oh. I think I just hijacked a profile for real. Not great, not great. All right, let me review those policies. So I only want to insert with wait, how did I SQL expression? I don't know how to do this. Auth equal UUID. All right, let me try that. Yes, that's good because I hard coded my UID to something else that's not mine. But wait, actually, this is not testing anything since I already updated. Let me clear out that stuff in there. Let's delete everything. Boring Supabase web dev, man, or menu dev. Andres Bowyer, what's happening? How you doing? Welcome to the party. All right, profiles, updating the profile. That's what we're doing. I have this thing hard coded. This UID does not match my UID, and I'm not supposed to be able to insert this data. So let's see if it will insert when I try it. All right, that violates. Very good, very good. I like that because I tried to insert with a bogus user ID. Now let me use my real user ID. Very good. Now I'm able to insert with my real user ID. All right, now I can finally move on to something else. But man, it's 3 p.m. How long have I been streaming? Is it time to go? Not even 2 hours, man. I can go longer. Right? Yeah, I can do a little bit more. You need to get New York cheap eats. What is that? I'm hungry right now, Hepta 5. I don't know what I'm gonna eat today, but I gotta go outside maybe. Alright, what am I trying to do here? What am I trying to do? I'm trying to have it where we update the profile information. But I want to like make the UI look a little bit nicer. Go here. Oh, wait, have I seen this?
This spot has 10 dumplings.
No, that's too far. I don't live near Chinatown, man. But 10 dumplings for $2. I'll do that all day. I could eat some dumplings right now, man. Alright. Oh, you know what I could do too? In my loader, I could get the information from my thing. Alright. Let's say get the user data from Supabase and join it with the let me see if they can. Oh, I have to do it in a 2 thing. Sure, I'll take that, man. Let's put this up here though. No, wait. This is the wrong thing. This is the wrong thing, man. Control Z, Control Z. I need to put it in my loader function here. Ha ha ha, welcome to the party. Alright, so I got this stuff. User and the profile data. Alright, here we go. So this would be, I'm gonna delete this. I guess this would be like the user. Let's put in some of this profile data here. What keycap switches are those? The Banison, what's happening? These, the keyboard is a bubble 75. The switches are Godspeed, GMK Godspeed, and this. Wait, the keycaps are Godspeed and the switches are Aqua Kings. Wait, sorry. It's not Tap Racer time. And there's a keyboard. Anyways. Alright. Let me see if we load that information now. Aquabs, how are you doing? Thoughts on ZSA Voyager? What? I don't even know what that is, man. Should I have thoughts on that? Oh, a split keyboard. Well, I don't like split keyboards. I've tried to use a couple, and it just feels so weird. Maybe I just haven't spent enough time with them, but I'm not a big fan of splits. I'd like to. But, alright, I don't like split keyboards, but I do like Alice layout keyboards, which are kind of split, but they're not, they're still one piece, you know? I think because I type so weird, man, like, I do a lot of crossing over. So sometimes my right hand goes into my left hand's jurisdiction. So with a split keyboard, I can't do that. And maybe that's a good reason to have a split, because it forces you to type properly. But man, it's too much. Nate Dunn, welcome to the party. Alice are underrated. Yeah, I think so. I've always wanted a premium Alice keyboard, but I think I'm out of the keyboard game. I don't know. If I were to buy an Alice keyboard today, I'm not sure which one I'd get. But I'd want like a fancy one. Maybe Sagittarius. I can't spell. Sagittarius might be cool. Anyways, I got a split solely for the shoulder pain. You have shoulder pain? Alright, where we at? Where are we at now? Trying to have the profile, yeah. Okay, now. Alright, let me see if this stuff is able to I would like to show a button to switch between display mode and edit mode for the profile information. When display mode is active, the user cannot edit the info. It is not displayed in a text box when edit mode let's see how the AI does this. LGTM, I don't know. So I guess we have to like add those things too. Oh, look at that, man, it works. CSS is a non-issue. Yeah, it kind of works. All right, let's where's that edit button, man? Let us style this edit button to be more minimalistic. How about that? I got two edit buttons, man. Oh yeah. All right. What else? What else? Let's I guess I can style the rest myself. It's good enough. right? Looks good enough to me. That's it. Should we ship it? Nah. All right. So now that I have that profile stuff, what I want to do is I want to repurpose this type racer page, and instead of having it be type racer, I want it to just be leaderboards. And under there, we'll have the type racer leaderboards. We'll have like a LeetCode leaderboards. Once people start to register and put in their LeetCode profile, then I want to create something that will go and like scan all the LeetCode profiles. You know. Anyways, hold on. So if this is, I want to put what the heck? Oh, there should be maybe a link. Anyways, maybe add some simple table alternating colors for the leaderboard. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. But there's a lot of stuff to do too, because I have to create like some type of LeetCode scraper that will visit all the profiles that we have registered on the website to download the latest data. C++ 77. How are you doing? It's going all right. I'm just working on the website, man. But I might log off soon. But I'll be back later tonight, you know. Scrape the LeetCode site every 5 minutes. I don't like it, and I own their other keyboards. Interesting. I'm a bit sad. Why are you sad, man? Yeah, this stream was supposed to be just a real quick one. We're approaching 2 hours, and I'm real hungry. I wish LeetCode had an amazing API like Codeforce's. LeetCode has an API, except it's not public. I wish they would make it public so we don't have to guess and reverse it, you know? Codeforce, you can make queries about what user solved what. Yeah, LeetCode has similar things, but you gotta... there's no documentation for it, you know. I'll show you. It's all in these GraphQL stuff. So look, these are like, I don't know what it's asking. Language stats. So submissions, maybe. Oh, these are like problem counters. These are like contest history or contest ratings in that one. Anyways, it's not... Yeah, I know what you're saying, Don't Defense. I also wish they would just have a publicly available API. Although, all APIs are public. In some ways, if you know what I'm saying. I end up getting a software engineering interview Thursday for a good company. I have a data structure algorithms interview I'm not prepared for, so I'm doing that last minute studying. I regret not studying earlier. C++ 77. That's a regret I hear a lot of times, man. That's why I kind of just study LeetCode all year round. At least the endpoints are just there, right? But yeah, it should be documented, these endpoints. But I think that's where I'm gonna stop streaming for this session. But I'll be back tonight. Now that we got like a basic profile thing working, I think I can start working on the new leaderboard, or I can work on the LeetCode scraper to download profile information for usernames registered on the website. And then yeah, maybe that's what I'll do later on tonight. Anyways, man, I kind of want to show you what I've been working on, my secret projects, but I don't think it's ready for y'all yet, man. I might do it. All right. Sometimes I work on my website, like the Midnight Simon website, and I try and do most of this work on stream, like live. And then sometimes I work on my secret website, which I haven't talked about much yet. But maybe when I do work on my secret website, I might start streaming it on the Discord, because I don't want it to be well known what I'm doing. Can you make my wins count for 20x? No, cannot. Maybe for some money. Do it now, turn off VOD. Nah. Nah. Maybe sometime next week I might give you a preview. How much money? Nah, we can't afford that here. Alright, who's online? Glump is online. Should we go raid Glump? I think so. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had the opportunity to raid Glump. Alright, here we go. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. This is just a quick one-off web dev stream. Got the profile info working for the website. Got my Supabase stuff, security policies set up for that new table. Tonight I'll be streaming again at in 6 hours, maybe 5.5 hours. And tonight I'll be working on whatever I just talked about, LeetCode scraping and some other stuff. Anyways, don't defense. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you tonight, maybe in a few hours. YouTube, adios. Thank you for tuning in for my short stream today. C++ 77. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure you get some good studies in. The Benny Sun, adios. See you next time. And everybody else, Aquabas or Aquabs. Nate's done. Have a good night. Let's go raid Glump. Glump is doing LeetCode. Glump is really good at LeetCode. So maybe he might teach us some things, man. Anyways, we're about to go right now. See you later, YouTube.